Hello, my dear friends. I am Asim Shukla and I welcome you once again on my YouTube channel. Friends, today we will discuss about money affirmations. And these money affirmations are very important for us to reprogram our subconscious mind to attract unlimited wealth in our lives. Friends, consciously we all desire for money, but subconsciously we are not programmed enough to attract money from the universe because we have certain negative beliefs which affect us from attracting those abundance, those unlimited monies from the universe. Friends, today we will discuss about some affirmations, money related affirmations, which by repeating on daily basis we can reprogram our subconscious mind to attract abundance and money from the universe. So friends, let's start. First and foremost is the affirmation known as I am a money magnet. Friends, we have to feel that we are a money magnet. We are acting as a magnet and attracting abundance and wealth from all directions to ourselves. Friends, like a magnet does, it attracts iron from everywhere towards itself. Same ways, in a similar manner, we attract unlimited wealth from all the directions towards ourselves. So friends, this is the one of the most important affirmation that I am a money magnet. Secondly, friends, money comes to me in expected and unexpected ways. Friends, we know that we can attract money. We have source of money which we expect to give us on a monthly basis or on a daily basis. So we expect that money to come to us, but we are not open to some unexpected ways. So we have to reprogram our subconscious mind to attract the money through expected and unexpected ways. So we have to affirm our mind by saying that money comes to me in expected and unexpected ways. Another is that I am worthy of making more money. Friends, one of the main reason not to have enough money in our life is the negative self-image, wherein we believe that we are not worthy enough to attract money or earn enough money in our lives. So we have to affirm our mind and say that I am worthy of making more money. We have to improve our self-image so that we can enhance our worthiness and so that we can attract abundance from the universe. Friends, this is the most important affirmation wherein we improve our self-image as well as improve our worthiness to attract money from the universe. Then the fourth one is that I embrace new avenues of income in my life. Friends, we are only programmed to earn money through usual ways, but we are not open to new avenues because of the friction, because we don't want to change our situation. We want to be in status quo. So this is the most important affirmation which we give to our subconscious mind, that I embrace new avenues of income. By repeating this on a regular basis, we will reprogram our subconscious mind and then new avenues of income will be attracted in your life. Then fifth and the last one for today's discussion is I am open and receptive to all wealth that life offers to me. Friends, sometimes we at a subconscious level do not attract money, and this is the major reason wherein we are deprived of the money and we struggle for more and more money in our life. So to attract abundance from the universe, we have to be open and receptive to all the wealth that life offers to us. So these are few affirmations, money related affirmations, which if we repeat on daily basis, then our subconscious mind will be reprogrammed to attract abundance and wealth from this universe. So friends, I will repeat all these 5 affirmations once again for you. First and foremost is that I am a money magnet. Second, money comes to me in expected and unexpected ways. Then I am worthy to earn or make more money. I embrace new avenues of income and I am open and receptive to all the wealth that life offers to me. Friends, I hope you like this session and you like these affirmations to attract abundance in our lives. If yes, then you like and share this video, and if you are new to my channel, then you subscribe it. It helps to improve my motivation, and it also helps me to energize to share such informations to you on regular basis. I in the end thank you for joining in this session and see you in my next video. Thank you very much, friends.